big water sit on. Maybe get another one. I guess I get another one. That's actually, no, I wouldn't even put theirs on the slab yet. Theirs are only on the slab too. Shavings in them. I still get shavings in them.
Got some 2 white heritage turkeys today. So that's our turkeys there. I don't know if they're male or female yet, but I guess we'll see when they get a little bit older. There's the second turkey. First time raising turkeys, so we're going to see how they do. And then we got 4 guineas. I don't know, couldn't tell you what breed they are or anything like that. They got a black and reddish, brownish head on it, so we got 4 of these. So 4 new chicks on the farm, and then here in a few minutes we're going to come out here and 4 guineas and 2 turkeys. Here in a few minutes, like I was saying, my wife's going to come out here, and I can't remember the breed of the recent chicks we got, but they're starting to jump out of here.
And blue copper.
So my son says they're Easter eggers and blue copper marins. So, but they're actually jumping out of this, so we're going to clip their wings so they grow a little bit bigger and keep them in here a little bit better. We divided the pen in half, so that way those stay over there, and the guineas and the turkeys will be over here until they get older, and then we'll introduce them to the rest of the animals. So, fix and give them some water. I know we got several hens. I know we got 2 roosters in there. I don't remember which ones are the roosters. So they're getting bigger. They're not quite big enough to go in with the other lay hens yet, but we're working on it. And then there's the guineas and the 2 turkeys right there. I'm curious to see how fast them turkeys are going to grow, and
they're going to pass up the guineas really
yeah, when they're going to get way bigger. So, but more animals on the farm. I've been wanting turkeys for a long time, so, but we're most likely, more than likely, the turkeys will probably end up in the Thanksgiving fryer this Thanksgiving. So I'm ready to grow some turkeys and see how that goes.